The aircraft is weighted with full operation fluid and usable fuel. The scale rating are nose gear 9,200 pounds at 90 inches. The main gear combined 26,800 pounds at 320 inches. The aircraft is prepared for flight with the minimum requirement crew consistent of pilot and co-pilot with a combined weight of 360 pounds. Fuel on board consists of forward tank 300 gallons, center tank 400 gallons, rear tank 200 gallons. Fuel weights is 6 pounds per gallon. Oil on board is 660 per gallon. Weighted is 7.5 pounds per gallon. Cargo is loaded as follows. Compartment C is 3,000 pounds. Compartment F is 3,500 pounds. Compartment H is 4,000 pounds. Use the midpoint of each compartment range for arm determination. And ito ang gagawin, para makompute yung lahat, ito ang gagamitin natin sa TCDS natin. So, tara. To solve this, the empty aircraft, we need to combine this nose gear and main gear. To get the empty weight of the aircraft, we need to combine the nose gear and the main gear. Our nose gear is 9,200. Our main gear is plus 26,800. 36K. 36,000. And our crew, the pilot and co-pilot is given na. Its combined weight is 360 pounds. Our fuel is weighted 6 pounds per gallon. So, yung 6, ito times natin sa 300. Forward muna. Forward is 6 times 300 equals 1.8. 1.8K. Then, 6 times 400 is 2.4. 2.4. Yung rear naman natin is 6 times 2 equals 1.2. 1.2K. Yung oil naman natin is 60 per gallon. So, 60 times weight 7.5 lb per gallon. So, 7.5. Ito times lang natin. 450. It's 450. Ang cargo naman natin is ang cargo C ay nakalagay ito is 3,000. Sa cargo F is 3,500. Sa cargo H naman is 4,000. Ito total lang natin yan. So, need natin to i-total lahat for weight. Okay. 36,000 plus 360 plus 18 plus 24 plus 12 plus 450 plus 3,000 plus 35 plus 4,000 equals is 52.71k. Ito. Ang ating total is yan 52,710 pag tinotal natin lahat. Ito. Ang ating total is 52,710. Yan. So, ang next is ang hanapin naman natin is ang arm. Paano ba hanapin ang arm? Ang gagamitin formula is ito. CG D minus FXL tapos W. Weight. So, ang weight BFL W. Ito yung datum. Ang ating weight ay 36,000. 36,000. Tapos, ang F naman natin is yung nose gear is 9,200.